Recently, I read a very nice quote which profoundly describes our profession, that is engineering. It said, "Science is just lying around everywhere waiting to be discovered. Engineering is what turns it into something useful." So you might be any engineer. Like I am a mechanical engineer, you might be electrical, civil, aerospace, automobile, any sort of engineer you might be. We all have one thing in common. We make things happen. This profession of making things happen is manufacturing engineering. So I was wondering that what is the future of this manufacturing engineering? And these are some of the avenues, or these are some of the future prospects that I could find. Please stay tuned till the end. The world is changing at a very fast pace. Just as engineers, we like to have some figures or numbers to crunch. So here are some numbers. In 2018, the world population was about 7.6 billion. This is supposed or projected to increase to 10 billion by 2030. Most of this population, about 60% of this population, is going to stay in cities. So we are going to have, it is projected that we'll have around 39 mega cities with population of more than 10 million people. Just to give you another startling projection, the city of Jakarta is projected to have, only the city of Jakarta is projected to have about 40 million inhabitants. That is the combined population of Belgium, Holland and Sweden. These figures or these numbers, we can imagine the magnitude of challenges that we are going to face or our next generation is going to face. So as manufacturing engineers, where do we, or what are our opportunities? Of course, these challenges, we will have to face them as humanity. But as engineers, we can find solutions to some of these problems. So I have identified 5 challenge areas. One is travel. How are we going to move these people around the cities? 2 is food. How are we going to feed 10 billion people? Number 3 is health. How are we going to ensure that the population that is living is healthy enough? Number 4 is energy. How are we going to find sources or have enough energy to sustain all these people? And number 5 is the circular economy. How are we going to ensure that we are not depleting the natural resources more or consuming more than the rate of its production?